Hi everyone and welcome to this video. So this is going to be on the fly. Just had this laptop come in and the customer is saying that it's coming up telling them to phone Microsoft. So we're just going to log in. Right, so as you can see here, it's saying that the computer is infected with spyware and that. Don't do anything but to call this this phone number, which we know is a scam. But one thing I want to point out is, if you can see down there, it actually says the URL it's going to is basically on digitalocean.app, and then loads of other stuff to the URL coding. Right, so if we just flip over, you can see here even malware bytes are saying that there's a virus. So basically DigitalOcean are a cloud hosting company, and it looks like they don't care who hosts, who has hosting space on their servers. Amazon, I've seen this. I actually thought this was going to be Amazon when I went down there, but it's not. It's generally Amazon that I see these on. Anyway, so let's flip back now. Right, so what I'm going to do is show you how to get rid of this. So we're going to hold down Control Alt and tap delete, and then we're going to look for so it's probably showing in Edge. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Edge, right click on Edge and do end task, and that's now got us back to being able to view the desktop. So that is basically it. You could also go to there and go restart. Yes, if you wanted to, but that is the quick way without having to reboot the computer. Next thing to do is to reopen. Now when it comes up and says about do you want to restore, you say no, and then you can go in, go to history, and delete the last set of pages that you went to. So yeah, so that's it. That was a quick one today. Hope you've enjoyed this. Please share, like and subscribe, and yeah, I've now got a donations page, so if you want to buy me a coffee, that would be well appreciated. Right, take care, have a nice day, bye.